Okay guys, so this is SpaceBook, just a new social media that can do some different things, made with PHP. So the URL is https www.implxforum.com, and when you go there you'll be greeted with this page. Just create an account, and I'll make an account here for YouTube. Okay, so an email, and then a phone number. We'll just keep it at nothing. So let's create an account, and now when we go to log in, you will see your profile. So here you have your username, your profile picture. You can throw a comment, which is writing a post. You can view your local group, which is people you follow and their posts. You can visit the universe, which is everybody's posts. There's quick picture, which is sending pictures for desktops to other computers. And there's black hole DMs, which is direct messaging. So I have no posts, so there's nothing here. But if I go ahead and write a post, and then we'll just change that to red because YouTube, why not? You can put emojis there, and you can also upload an image if you want to. So here you'll now see your post. My internet's very slow, ignore that. So you'll see your post, your username, how many likes and dislikes you have. You can visit the universe, which is everybody's posts. And it's really slow because it's screen recording right now. So we'll just let it load in here in a second. It's not normally this slow on a computer. Come on. So you can see your post along with other posts of other people. And if you were to follow me, you would only see my posts and other people you post. So let's go back to profile. You can change your relationship status. You can change your bio. If you put your phone number into the system, what will happen is every time you get a private message or a quick pick, you'll get notified via text message. That way you don't have to keep going on and checking your profile. You can only check when you really need to. You can view your followers and who you're following. You can change your profile picture just by clicking on it. There. And then that'll load in the background, but we don't have time. So you can search for other planets, just people that have accounts. So we currently have over 200 users. So if you get your friends to join, you can have your friends make accounts and follow them. So this is my account. So you can go to follow user. You can also just go back to do other things. So you can see now you have one following. You can see who you're following, and that's that. So let's go to black hole DM. From there you can either group chat people, or you can just regular private message. And from there what you're going to do is you're just going to search other users to send a message to. So there's me. So if I just said, hey, I would now be notified on my phone via text message since my account got a message from YouTube. And if we go to quick picture, this is cool. I didn't even think about this. The camera's going to be pointing. So you can see it's just aimed up right now. You can take a picture. You can change your filters, and then you can just send that to other people. So we'll do 19R. And we'll just hit send to Reese. And then it will come up on my account as sent, as who I can get it from, and then I can just open it from there. So let's go back to profile. And yeah, that's basically all you can do right now with SpaceBook. It's pretty cool though. I recommend getting one and share it around with all your friends. Bye.